Hello, and welcome to this third meditation with us. For some people, the meditation ritual has already been established, and for others, finding 10 minutes a day and somewhere quiet to meditate is really difficult. This shouldn't discourage you. Perseverance is the key. The time of day really isn't important. Regularity in your practice is. As best you can, try to find a time, the same each day if possible. Through your daily routine in a quiet place, sitting at your desk, or in the morning when you wake up, when you are sitting on the train, or even at night before going to bed. This is a new routine to introduce into your day. And it's also a question of priorities. You might have thought, later, not the right state of mind, not the right time in life. Sometimes it's true. But why wait for life to be perfect, to give yourself some time, that much needed time? During today's session, if you are distracted by sounds, comings and goings, smells, emotions, moods, fatigue, or whatever, just be fully aware and include it in your practice. Observing these distractions and the way you handle them extends and nurtures your practice. Enjoy your session. So sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Sit cross-legged or kneel on the floor. Be sure to keep your back straight in a dignified attitude. Loosen your clothes if they're too tight. Take off your shoes if they're bothering you. And take the time to find a suitable posture. Connect with your breath over several breathing cycles and become aware. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. 3 times. Then go back to your natural rhythm of breathing. Again, concentrate on the airflow throughout your body. When you breathe in, turn your attention to the movement of your abdomen expanding. Then breathe that air out, imagining that you are free from stress. Each breath is unique. See if any changes occur. When your eyes are closed, your awareness opens to all of the other senses. Now let's go back to your body as a whole. Which physical sensations do you notice? Sensations of well-being, of discomfort, or no sensations at all? Now I'd like you to focus on the sensations of physical touch, and in particular, on the contact between your skin and your clothes or the air. And then on the weight of your body sitting on the chair or the floor. Simply become aware of the points of contact between your body and the chair or the floor. And now I'd like you to move your attention to the contact between your feet and the floor. In which part of your foot do you most notice the weight of your body? The heel, the toes, the sole of your foot? Lastly, notice the weight of your hands, of your arms. What are your arms in contact with? Let these bodily sensations go. Try to be aware of the sounds surrounding you in each and every moment. Sounds near you in the room, maybe despite your headphones, or sounds from outside. During this exercise, we are going to use these sounds. Take 1 minute to explore the sounds around you. Pay attention to their quality, obvious or subtle, their volume, loud or soft, their frequency, high or low. See if you are trying to define them. It's a car, or a bird, or a squeaky door. If that's the case, take note of this and try to leave out these classifications. Just accept each sound and welcome it with kindness, as if you were discovering something completely new, without judging it as pleasant or unpleasant. Take a moment to welcome these sounds which are coming into your awareness. Accept them without reacting or bringing up images or thoughts. Also, notice their path. They have arrived through your ears and awareness, and then they move away. Notice the smells that are reaching you, or the lack of smell. Is there a specific taste in your mouth? Bitterness or sweetness, for example? Observe your natural salivation. Lastly, notice what physical sense prevails the most in your mind. Which physical sense seems to be the most important? And then let that go, coming back to your breath and bringing it to the center of your attention. At your own pace, when you are ready, calmly open your eyes if they were closed, and stretch if you want to, and listen to the bell till the end, and take a moment for yourself before getting back to your activities. How was that? Did you notice that wherever you are in any moment, your body is always present and your senses always awake? Your breathing is also there for you, loyal since the beginning. Remember this anchor, your breath, to restore calm in yourself. It's all about being present. Meditation becomes fascinating when you realize that we all tend to react automatically. And then when you start to observe and become more aware of each moment, try to practice on a regular basis, a little each day. When everything seems to be going wrong some days, you may think the last thing you want is to sit down to meditate. And strangely, this is exactly what you need the most at that time. But until next time, if you don't meditate one day, rather than blaming yourself, try to identify with curiosity the thoughts and emotions that brought you to postpone that session. In any case, while meditating today, you have significantly increased the likelihood of meditating again. So well done for this session, and see you soon.